Hey guys, BikeBlogger here. Today I'm going to take a ride to The Hill neighborhood in St. Louis. At least that's the plan. I'm going to go a slightly different way today to get there. I've been sort of by there on my way to Tower Grove Park in St. Louis. Today though I'm going to head like I'm heading north to Forest Park, and I'm gonna go through some of those neighborhoods like Franz Park and Franz Park. I don't know how to pronounce it. And let's see. My plan is to go down Dale, which is a major east-west street, and then take Lloyd, continue on Lloyd to Hampton Avenue, and then ride down onto Manchester Road. And take that to Sublet, and then take that to Arsenal or something. I don't really know what I'll do once I get to The Hill. May ride around a little bit and then come back. Okay. Let's go this way today. Cutting through a parking lot. Gotta watch out for broken glass and stuff back here. I think someone recently bought that property though, so maybe they'll do something with it. We're going this way. I don't know if we'll make this light. We'll try though. Didn't work out, so we'll make a right here. All right. Change of plans. All right, we're gonna spin it back around here since that didn't work out, because I really do want to go north. I don't want to go south here, so we're gonna turn it around. Oh. So we go this way. I don't know what that guy's doing, he's backing up. All right, we'll make a left here. 22 miles per hour. Back the way we came. All right, now we're in the right direction. See, I could have gone down Manchester, but I really wanted to go through these city streets instead, rather than the big road. Make a right here. Thing is, I could have made a left for how long I waited. Oh well. Would have been nice to make that light. No such luck though. Taking it easy. I do want to get to the hill today here though. Before I need to get back to work here. It's called the hill, I think, because it's sort of elevated from a lot of I don't want to go that way, I don't think. Whoa, almost had an accident there. You gotta keep your paws on the brake levers. Yeah, here I am talking about the hill, and it's probably a massive climb, at least by St. Louis standards. St. Louis City. We'll find out. Here's a bit of a hill to my right. Make a right here on the McCausland Avenue. Certainly doesn't really look like an avenue to me. All right. So I need to get to Dale, which means I need to go north, which means I need to make a left eventually. Cross traffic does not stop. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm going east. And I'm sort of following Manchester Road, which is to my right. That big road I was just on earlier. Probably could have just stayed on it, but I like riding the residential streets. It's a little quieter. Let's climb here. See, I'm going north, even though I want to go east and south eventually to the hill, because I believe Manchester Road sort of goes northeast into the city from the county. Whew. All right. Need to make a left. Next chance I get. Actually, why don't I just go straight and I'll make the left the last chance I get. That way I can avoid the stop signs on Dale, because I got multiple large intersections down there to my left because it's a bigger road. Whew. Chilly. It is cold. Oh yeah, it's Friday, December 18th or something, 2014. Make a right here. It's Dale. Now I want to go up Lloyd, which is that to my left. Let's see. We'll keep following Dale. Shoot, that is Lloyd. Let's go, Lloyd. Okay. Lloyd is a bit of a hill. So we're going to take this, which is one way, all the way to Hampton Avenue. Okay. Some pretty nice looking houses along here. Okay. This is Tam. Sort of a big street in the neighborhood. I gotta watch my time because I don't know how long it'll take me to get back. Well, I do sort of know that, but based on the time I got maybe 20 minutes to get to the hill and back, or well, get to it and then go back from there. So I think I'm nearly there, actually. Actually, what I want to do here, I think, is stop for a second, because I need to look at my phone. That's Hampton up ahead. I need to check my phone real quick to see here. Let's see. So I want to make sure I'm going the right way. So, all right, so we're sort of like here. I don't know if you can see that. So we'll go down here onto Manchester, and it's the first right on the sublet. And that'll take us into the Hill neighborhood. Sorry, my sinuses are sort of acting up. All right, so I just need to check that. Put my glove back on and we'll get out of here. So we'll be riding on Manchester for just a little bit. It's sort of a bigger road. Denny's. Denny's has been there for a while. I've eaten there a couple times years ago with some friends when I was in college. We're on Manchester Road now. Gotta stop. I don't know if that way cuts through to where I want to go. Huh. Alright, so we're going to take this for a little bit. 21 miles per hour. As you can tell, it's a 35 mile per hour road, and I'm going 23 miles per hour. So if you assume that the other cars are traveling the speed limit, which is doubtful, probably going faster, that's over a 10 mile per hour difference. And at 10 miles per hour, that's like about 15 feet per second, I think. And that means train tracks. Within a matter of yeah, you can tell we're sort of in the hill now. Got the painted fire hydrants. That's about 100 feet for every, gosh, I hate doing math on the bike. Every 6 seconds, I guess. So you can start to figure how, quite a bit of traffic uses that road. Thought it'd be a little quieter. This road, that is. So now we're climbing a hill here, up into the hill. We're basically in the hill now. Neighborhood. Whew. So, with that difference, you can sort of figure how long it'll take for cars to catch up to you if you're good at doing math real fast. I think a safe bet would be to assume a 20 mile per hour differential in terms of speed on a flat road for sure. So we're just climbing. This isn't a terrible hill. Let's make a left here. See where this takes us. Oh. Whew. I wonder if that is Southwest Avenue up there. I don't know this area, so we'll find out. Oh. City riding. Oh, Mackland. Let's make a right on Mackland. Let's make a left on whatever this is, Elizabeth. Oh. Sort of wandering around here. It's a very big house, jeez. Next to all these smaller houses. All right, we'll make a right here on the Edwards. All right, here we go. Edwards. I think I know where I am. Yeah, I know where I am. I come down this street a lot. I think this is botanical or something. Wasn't paying attention. I wish I knew more about this neighborhood and the other ones, but I'm sure I'll learn. Whew. Mackland. We'll go straight here as I usually do. Oh shoot, here we go. Had enough time there to really get moving, but I don't like close calls. That was anything but a close call, but there was a guy on my right coming up the hill. Split minute decisions there. You either gotta keep going or stop. Both cases you risk falling. Watching the door zone. Making sure no one's in those cars. Southwest. Okay. Sometimes you get run off the road there a little. A sublet park. Where are we now? I don't think we're still in the hill. Looking for fire hydrants. What a way to tell the difference between a neighborhood is to check the fire hydrants. That's silly. Whew. Right. Now where am I going? Maybe that's Arsenal up there. Right. Fire station to my left. We'll make a left here. All right, thanks. All right. That guy was nice enough to let me go, I think. What the heck is that thing to my left? I'm a suburb boy. I don't know what I'm looking at. See that thing to the left there? Well, let's go take a look at it. Let me go in here. Turn around. Let's go see what that is over there. Is that a courthouse? Maybe it's a school. Pretty darn big building for a school, though. So this is a YMCA. What is that thing? Whew. It's a big building. Huh. Holy crap, this is the end of the... I could have had an accident there. Let's take a look at that. Oh wow, look. The YMCA has a skate park. Cool. Boy, just the things you discover while bicycling around town. I didn't even know such a thing existed. Yeah, so let's go figure out what this building is, and then I gotta get back to work. Exploring the city. I need to look for a spot where I can get down safely. This looks good enough. What is this thing? Oh, shucks, it's got no name. Or I missed the name. It might be a hospital or something, I don't know. Take a left. I'll post in the description below what this thing is if I can figure that out. Missouri Department of Mental Health. There you go. So that's some sort of building that deals in mental health. Gracious. It's humongous. Massive building. Huh. Yeah, I probably said on the sign on the entrance to the parking lot what it was. The building doesn't have anything written on it though. Looks like I can get out down here, so we'll do that. Gracious, that's a big drop right there. Slow it down. Okay. Can I get out down here? Doesn't look like it. All right, so we're going in circles now. Let's try and get off of this campus. This flyer, yeah, I think I sort of know my way back now. All right, we'll climb flyer. Hope my tire's okay. It sounded like I just hit some glass or something. I felt a little iffy in there. I think a cop car was following me around, trying to figure out what I was doing. I think I sort of know my way back. What street is this? Not a street I want, sublet. Actually, I probably do want sublet if I wanted to go back the way I came, which I don't actually want to. Regal. I know this street. Let's take it. So, I don't know if that was so much a ride around the Hill neighborhood, but just sort of exploring the city streets. Yeah, I really gotta get back to work here. One way, let's make a right on the Marquette. One way. Huh. Thought I went up Marquette yesterday. I don't remember it being a one-way street though. Oh no, I was on Marquette and I made a right onto, going the other way, I made a right onto, I don't remember what the street was, Watson or something. And then a left onto Potomac. So if my reasoning is correct, Potomac is to the left. But that's a one-way street too. I don't want to go on that. So we'll take Marquette, I guess, all the way back to work. Whew. Ah, 17 miles per hour, stop. Gracious, what is going on up there? Might be able to get past on the sidewalk. They don't really want anyone going over there, it looks like. Let's see if we can take this alley. You always find ways around stuff. Shortcuts, cut-throughs. Alleys are sort of dangerous though. There we go. Let's just go up to this point. We'll make a left onto the... This might not really work out, but we'll see. There's too much traffic coming from the other way. What I need to do is cross when I get the chance. But see, they're doing all sorts of work over there, and there's a lot of traffic coming. Ah, shoot. This will probably take a while. That's not a street I want anyway, so I'm gonna get out of here. That street's one way straight ahead, so we're not gonna take that. All right. I have to find another point of exit, egress. Make a right. Let's take this alley down to the next street. That was Potomac, I think. Be careful going down alleys. Dangerous spots for bikes and anyone, really. All right, I want to go straight across here if I can. I'm gonna have to get in the suicide lane. No ifs, ands, buts about it. Oh, looks like I'm okay. Good. All right. Gosh, Hampton Avenue is a messy street to even just cross. It's an old city street. With just like lots of traffic. No means of being able to widen it like ever, really. Just crossing it is a hassle, as I just saw right there, as you just saw right there. So we're on Othla or something. Take this basically all the way back to where I want to be. Really need to try and get back to work here within the next 20 minutes, or less, preferably. Okay. Need to cross this big street. I believe this is Watson Road. Yep. Okay. Clear one way, one more guy on the right. Okay. Whew. Climb our way up here. Nice looking street. Lots of nice looking brick homes. Yeah, St. Louis metro area is, I think, like the 18th largest in the United States, following San Diego, and just slightly bigger in population than Tampa, Florida. But the obviously being in the middle of the country, the housing prices are a lot lower than those other communities, in this community compared to those coastal communities. Everyone wants to live next to the ocean. Who can blame them? Traffic does not stop. Cross traffic does not stop. Okay, we'll go straight. My wrist, my right wrist is sort of aching. I think it's because this stupid brake lever on my right is not installed right. It's sort of angled up. I really need to fix that, because my left wrist is okay. So I'm guessing it's probably because of that. Jameson, that's what this street is. Another sort of pretty big street. This could take a little while. It's clear to my left. We're gonna go here. There we go. Okay. Continuing on. Oh yeah, my right wrist, it aches. Need to it's probably from stressing it, climbing hills, you know, because I usually get out of the saddle. So I'm on a single speed bike, and I'm twisting it or something a weird way. So I want to fix that this weekend. That is now on my list of things to fix. I think that's Interstate 44 straight ahead. I think we're on Marquette, maybe. Whatever. No, Marquette I think might have been one over, maybe. That was Othla or whatever it's called. So we need to go down there to my right. Wabash, which is sort of what we're on right now. I don't know if that's like Wabash Street down there, and this is Wabash, what is this? Wabash Avenue. So we're gonna go down to that lower road down there, take it under the bridges, and back into Maplewood. Whew. There we go. Follow the BMW. Ah. 24 miles per hour. Woo! BikeBlogger. A little better inside a tunnel. Make a left here. All right. Home free. Actually work free. Nah. I believe we're still in the city limits though, of Ellendale neighborhood. You can tell I'm a little tired. Left. And then right. So I got lost going straight ahead the other day. Oh, my wrist. This thing has got to be fixed here. This brake lever's all screwed up. I don't know why I couldn't install it right. We're really gonna need to take a look at it though, because it's just goofy the way it is right now. Whew. All right. I believe we are in Maplewood, Missouri again now. We can sort of tell because they got a lot of these sort of big houses. Those are condos to my right. Pretty new. This is Greenwood Boulevard. Make a left onto here. There we go. Make a right onto Sutton Boulevard, the main street of downtown, except for Manchester, of course. Whew. This is sort of where Bike St. Louis begins. Sort of signs that tell you bike-friendly roads. I guess this is sort of that. Cop car head. Hold somebody over on a Friday. Whew. All right, we're getting back at a good time. About 10 minutes ago, I was saying, I hope I'm back within a minute, within 20 minutes, and I am. It's not a cop car, it's a fire truck. Some ambulances to my right. I don't think I caught that on video though. "20 miles per hour. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Whew.